Hi loves, welcome to my channel. My name is Claudia if it's your first time here. I'm a single mom of one. In this channel, I like to talk about fragrance reviews, hair reviews, wig reviews, and a lot of fashion. I do a lot of the cooking as well, and I try to record it for you guys as well. If this is the type of videos you like to watch, please subscribe to my channel, and I hope you have fun watching us. And today I'm cleaning my living room slash dining room. Guys, comment down below if you hate Christmas lights, especially the very long ones with long cords. It's a pain in the neck to get it off. Comment down below. So guys, by irony, even though I don't like Christmas trees very much, I ended up having two. The box, Christmas box that I bought, it came two with the wreath and what do you call, is it gallon or whatever the name it is. It came with a lot of pieces, and it was £22. So I normally have got the habit of throwing away my Christmas tree every year. I'm not gonna lie, guys. I remember when I was living in my other property, I used to donate to the charity. I'm not rich by any means. I just find annoying taking all these um, decorations down, and just it's not my thing. I'm not gonna lie. Yes, guys. So I ended up having two, but at this time I decided to pack it away. You see me doing. It has got the perfect box that it came with, and I will put it away for next year. Guys, I have a confession to make. I normally take ages to put up my Christmas tree. I don't know if you guys know, my family don't live here in UK. I came to UK when I was 15, and yes, guys, I've been living on my own all this while. And Christmas is not my favorite anymore because obviously we know Christmas is about family. And although I made a lot of friends and a lot of acquaintances, but I find myself just staying in keeping myself to myself. And since I had a little girl, when I was with her dad, we used to go to to his family home, and amongst other things, we also used to invite people to our home for Christmas dinners and stuff. And it was a bit fun, but it's never the same without your family. So I used to love Christmas very much. It was my favorite holiday. However, since I immigrate to the UK, it's one of those is one of those dates that is just another day for me now. But since I had my little girl, I make an effort to decorate the home. Guys, in 2020, the Poundland shop had beautiful decorations for the festive seasons. So do not underestimate them in the future. Make sure you pop to the Poundland before you go and buy your Christmas decor from, places such as Debenhams or any other shops really, because the Poundland is much cheaper, really cheap and really nice quality Christmas decorations. Well, Frey is saying that she's a lazy potato, as you can see here. She's just lying in the sofa and watching whatever she's watching and being lazy and bossing me around as per usual. Yeah, she's my only one, and at the moment, until I get married. Fingers crossed. She's a cheeky one. Love her to pieces.